Kim Kardashian's calm response, unraveling Caitlyn Jenner's calculated comment. The premiere of The Kardashians, Season 5 brought forth an intriguing revelation as Caitlyn Jenner referred to Kim Kardashian as calculated in the House of Kardashian docuseries. Surprisingly, Kardashian had a calm reaction to the comment, stating that it didn't hurt her feelings. She emphasized having a great stepdad who raised her and asserted that no comments could alter her perception of her own life. In this article, we delve into the details of Kardashian's response, explore the perspectives of other family members, and highlight Kourtney Kardashian's emotional journey with emergency fetal surgery during her pregnancy. Kim Kardashian's unwavering response. In the premiere of The Kardashians, Season 5, Kim Kardashian addressed Caitlyn Jenner's comment of her being calculated in the House of Kardashian docuseries. To the surprise of many, Kardashian displayed a calm reaction and mentioned that the comment did not hurt her feelings. She confidently stated that she had a great stepdad who played a significant role in her life and that no comments could alter her perception of her own experiences. Kardashian's response highlights her resilience and ability to rise above negative remarks, showcasing her unwavering confidence and self-assurance. Khloe Kardashian's perspective. Alongside Kim's response, Khloe Kardashian also shared her thoughts on the docuseries. She found it peculiar that Caitlyn Jenner would actively participate in a documentary that might not portray the family in the best light. Khloe's observation raises questions about the motivations behind Jenner's involvement and the potential impact on family dynamics. Her perspective adds another layer of complexity to the situation, highlighting the intricacies of familial relationships and public image management. Kris Jenner's reaction. In the premiere episode, Kris Jenner reacted specifically to a comment regarding her desire to be more than just a housewife. This remark raises the issue of societal expectations placed on women and the challenges faced by individuals who strive for personal fulfillment beyond traditional roles. Kris' response provides insight into her aspirations and the determination to establish her identity beyond the confines of societal expectations. It also sheds light on the complexities of navigating personal desires within a highly publicized family dynamic. Kourtney Kardashian's emotional journey. Apart from the docuseries drama, the premiere of The Kardashians, Season 5 also featured a deeply emotional and personal story from Kourtney Kardashian. She shared her experience with emergency fetal surgery while pregnant, offering a glimpse into the vulnerable and challenging moments she faced during that time. Kourtney's story highlights the strength and resilience exhibited by women during difficult pregnancies, as well as the importance of support and family unity in times of crisis. Kim Kardashian's calm reaction to Caitlyn Jenner's calculated comment showcases her unwavering confidence and resilience in the face of criticism. Her ability to maintain a positive perception of her own life despite negative remarks is commendable. The perspectives of other family members, such as Khloe Kardashian and Kris Jenner, provide additional insight into the complexities of their relationships and individual aspirations. Furthermore, Kourtney Kardashian's emotional journey with emergency fetal surgery emphasizes the strength and unity within the family during difficult times. As The Kardashians, Season 5 unfolds, it is clear that the docuseries will delve into deeper personal stories and shed light on the multifaceted lives of this famous family.